Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Review with SAMESH and welcome to Affiliate Kickstart System Review. Discover the exact 6-step system used to build a consistent affiliate business without ads or tech overwhelm. Systems, a step-by-step guide to master affiliate marketing fundamentals and build long-term results. Stop guessing, start winning. Forget signing object, confusing codes, and endless hacks. Affiliate Kickstart systems give you the exact step-by-step framework to launch your first successful affiliate project. Even if you a total beginner with no touch skills, no audience, no product, this is not another get rich quick gimmick. It is a real business roadmap built from data, physics, psychology, and proven framework used by successful affiliate worldwide. Affiliate mindset mastery, system building, profitable niche selections, brand and authority building, affiliate website setup, contact the sales, traffic mastery, conversion optimizations, automations and scaling. When you get this blueprint, you will receive full 10-chapter PDF guide, action steps and worksheet at the end of the chapter, case studies from real affiliate source, and their strategies and lessons learned, lifetime mindset framework for consistent growth, a reproducible systems, not theory but a repeatable model that works. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's descriptions, and if you want to more knowledge about digital technology product, you must subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Thank you so much.